wow, look how far down that goes.
Look at down there. No, the elephant is down there in the water.
Wow. Hey everyone, I'm here with Marie's Life Vlogs and Mysteries. We're at Chinsegut Hill. Let's go on this adventure. Wow, look how cool that is. There's the cemetery. So cool. Yeah, I remember.
Did you hear her? The gates were closed when she got here?
No.
So we got lucky.
Wow, yeah.
The painting group, they let the painting group in. Just with my subject. There's signs down here. I don't think we got them last time. But let's go do it. We can always get them last. You locked the car, right?
Yeah. No, now it's a little chilly.
You think we need to get our jacket?
Nah.
Do you want to grab your long sleeves?
Nah, that'll be okay.
Once we start moving, we'll be huffing and puffing.
Yeah.
Their drawings are really good.
Yeah. I was here a long time ago with Marie and Harriet. Oh wow. Huh. Wow, look at that. That's from lightning strikes. This is some of the stuff that they've found here. Wow. Now I have some information on my phone about this.
That lady was painting the 2 palm trees right there.
Oh wow.
It looked so, she was painting it like with colors. It was real fun.
Huh.
Look at all the bamboo. That's what's going to happen to us if we put Terry's bamboo in the ground.
Chief Mike.
Micanopy.
Yeah.
Micanopy.
Huh.
Wow. Well, it's going to be cool to know to find some of these places.
Yeah.
I don't know where they're going to be though, because you said there's some down there.
I think there was 2 down that way that I could see. There's a street or a dirt road that goes that way.
I feel like the ones that I've seen online were close to water.
Yeah, there's
Or maybe the water goes all the way around.
There's another lake over on the other over there too.
Yeah, that's what it was. All the bamboo.
Can you hear it cracking?
Is that bamboo cracking?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Is it gonna fall?
No.
That is so much bamboo.
Yeah.
Wow. I hope I didn't do something to my camera because it's looking funny. I think I changed the settings.
What's this? Oh wow. Let me take some pictures. Okay. Oh, there's... Trying to be quiet. Wow. Look how neat that is. Wow, look at that tree. Those take forever to grow, so you know that's old.
Which one we going to? There's the one right there. Is there more down there? We're looking for the slave quarters, right?
Yeah.
There's a couple of them. I wonder if the slaves had to build their own house.
Probably, I would imagine.
You think so?
Yeah. Wow, look at that.
Look at all the ferns. Wow, there's so many. All these little cabins you can rent, guys. If you're ever in this town, you can rent one of these cabins. Chinsegut Hill Resort. Is it a resort?
It's a historical site.
I can't remember what the cabins were called.
Yeah, I can't. I think weddings or something like that.
No, this is Sterling going before. I think it's going back around that one.
Okay.
You want to try the other way?
Yeah.
Or down over the hill?
Oops.
I don't know.
Oh, one of the ladies that owned this place, I was reading this morning, she was married to, they were both actors, and she was also an author, and she got more parts than he did, and he ended up committing suicide, jumping off a bridge.
Because she got more parts than he did?
Yeah.
Wow.
He felt like he was holding her back, I guess.
Aww. Dang. Yeah, I don't know if this goes anywhere. We might have to go back and take the trail.
Yeah, it looks like it might be a creek down there. I wonder what that was.
What is it?
Oh, maybe a septic? Right there?
Oh, right there.
Yeah. I don't really see anything that way.
No. What are you thinking? We gotta go back and...
Yeah.
I mean, I wonder if the trails even take us.
It looked like, on Google Maps, it looked like that dirt road over there
Okay.
led to a house.
Well, remember there was a dirt road path over by that swing
Yeah.
that we went to last time. And then big stairs that go straight up. Well, I guess you always go to the right. And we went to the left. I'm chilly though.
Yeah.
You chilly too?
Yep.
We need to jog. Get our heart rate up. Or fall. Almost fell, guys.
No. I wonder what that is right there. Looks like they throw a lot of the cuttings back here when they trim the trees. Camper, that's the name of that tree.
I wonder what that was for. Is that their antenna?
I don't know.
That lights at the top and everything.
Oh yeah. I wonder if it's a cell phone thing.
On their property?
I don't know.
Maybe.
Camphor trees, that's what I was trying to think of. That's what those were.
Okay. Where are we going, Thomas?
Let's go over that way. It looks like there's a path over that way. Oh wait, there's one over here. Oh, I wonder where this one goes.
I don't know.
Might as well try.
I wish I had brought my jacket. Guess I should get my one bag unzipped just in case we come across any animals. There's probably wild animals on this property.
Oh yeah.
I hope there ain't no panthers. There's a trail. Lots of creepy noises.
This would be freaky at night.
I know. Well, if we found it, we could try to rent one of them cabins and then we'd have to be on the property already
Yeah.
at nighttime.
Oh, there's a trail too.
What is it?
There's a trail that goes that way.
Oh. I think we should keep going straight. and see
Okay.
what it
Yeah.
is. Maybe we should pick up one of these sticks. And we won't have to shoot anything. You got your taser?
Oh no, I left it in the car. Is that a building there?
Yeah.
Right there? Or maybe it's a tree laying
I don't
down.
know. Sometimes it's so hard to see buildings in the woods.
Yeah.
Is that a truck?
Hmm.
It might be a tree.
Yeah. That would be neat to have as a yard decoration, though.
Mm-hmm. You should have tried to rent one of their golf carts.
Yeah.
It'd be cool if they rented them. They'd probably go with the cabins maybe.
And there's bamboo.
More bamboo.
Yeah, over that way. Oh, and over that way. Huh.
Somebody liked bamboo back in the day.
So maybe there was a building close by.
What, did they put bamboo close to buildings?
Usually they put different plants closer to buildings, certain types that don't grow, that don't grow down here.
Yeah.
And bamboo they used for fishing
Yeah.
poles.
Isn't there water here or no?
Yeah.
Well, it looks like our road's been stopped. Maybe it doesn't.
There is that building.
Something?
I think there's a building back that way.
Really?
See right back here. See that big tree there?
Yeah.
Just to the left of that, way in the back.
Oh, so you
I'm
think
not
if we
sure.
go around? But did you hear that dog?
Yeah.
I don't want to get bit by a dog. Just so you can imagine. The two buildings that I've seen online are close together. Two of them. But I don't know if there's other ones.
I thought there was like 4, but I'm not.
Maybe there is.
I can't swear to it though.
You're probably right. I wonder where them dogs were barking from. Is it?
Yeah.
I don't know. This looks like it might be Indians. Or going to our left. Is that water?
I'm not sure.
It looks like that might be water. That means alligators.
Yeah.
You can imagine, we would not be able to run from an alligator.
Nope. Might have to wrestle it.
Well, I'm not wrestling it. There's a fence there. Alright, so now there's a fence. Who touched me? Oh, that branch touched me. That scared me.
Oh, there's something there. Or no. Maybe that's the palm trees. Yeah, it must have been the palm trees.
Huh. It sucks because on Google Earth, you could, can you do Google Earth on your phone?
I don't think so. Hang on, let me shut this up.
You're just gonna keep walking.
This has to lead somewhere.
Yeah. See, this is what happened when we went and tried to find Centralia Ghost Town all them times. We walked and walked and walked and never found it. And then that one time, Tyler says, I know where it is. And I'm like, how do you know? And then he found it. It's so crazy that he found it.
Look at that.
Is that an electric fence? barbed wire to keep the animals out. I hope we don't get any sick. Is it fixed out this time and when it's cold?
Probably, yeah. We should have. I have tape. We should have taped our ankles. Oh, there's banana trees.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah. So then there should be a house somewhere, right? You're not
Yeah,
gonna plant banana trees out in the middle of the woods, are you?
Nope.
You're gonna be close to your house.
This is a bridge, so there's got to be a reason it was here. Wow, look how far down that goes.
Look at down there. Look at all the elephant ears down there in the water.
Wow. Huh.
Oh, look, this is a trail. Is that considered a trail?
Yeah.
You want to take it?
Yeah, might as well. Oh, it goes that way too.
Trail that way too. It's crazy.
Well, we'll go that way. We're probably going in one giant circle.
You think so?
I don't know.
You know we're going to be lost, right, in the woods?
Yeah. There's more bamboo.
Oh, yeah. Holy crap. Wait a minute. It was my idea to come here, wasn't it? There's some berries if we get hungry. Look at this. It's so dark up in there.
Oh, there's oranges.
There is oranges. There has to be a house right here.
Yeah,
Or there
we're
has
close.
to have been
There's
a house right here.
an orange tree there too. So I'm thinking around in this area.
Look how dark it is up in here.
Wow, there's bamboo everywhere. I don't see anything that way. I don't see anything.
You see something?
No. Oh wait, what's that? Oh, it's a tree.
Is this all bamboo?
Yeah.
There's so much of it. Maybe they lived under the bamboo.
Maybe.
Or if they were slaves. But this bamboo is small.
Can you hear that bird?
Yeah, what are you thinking you're doing?
I don't know. Maybe we should try the dowsing rods and see.
Okay.
See if it'll show us a way.
Do you want to do it? We'll try the dowsing rod.
Yeah.
You have your camera too.
Here.
Alright, oh. Alright guys, Thomas is going to use the dowsing rods and see if it'll tell us which way to go.
Can you show us which way we should go to see one of the old houses? I got the way. Can you show us the way to one of the old slave houses? It says that way.
Down that way?
Yeah.
Well, maybe we were on the right trail. Then we jumped up off of it.
Yeah. Are there more than 2 houses here? Slowly moving.
Yes.
Yeah.
What do you want to do? You want to go back down?
Yeah, let's go back that way.
Okay. Alright guys, we're going to listen to the dowsing rods and see what we think. It'd be so cool if it took us right to them.
Yeah.
Alright, Thomas, I'm following you.
Alright. We
I
came
feel
up.
like we're lost now. We came that way.
Which way?
That way.
Okay.
Stayed on the trail. But we're not going to find it if we stay on the trail.
Yeah. Is it?
You would think that it would be close to the house.
Yeah.
We'll go down that way.
Okay.
I think I'm pretty
Yeah.
sure.
Back down to that road.
Okay, where do you think?
Or oh, maybe we should go this way.
There's the oranges. Who wants an orange? Florida oranges. Orange plastic. Oh, it's solid.
Yeah,
I wonder if it's a good orange.
they should be.
Who wants a Florida orange? They're all over the place. That's a shame.
Oh, these
you
are
know?
little ones. They're
Tangerines?
something like that. Yeah.
Nectarines? Aw.
Smell them. They're really strong.
Oh, wow. Look, guys.
I'll throw them in my bucket. Should we go this way?
I have no clue. That's what I said. We're lost now. I don't think. I don't know. I think we're going back up.
Maybe, yeah.
We're lost,
We'll probably end up in somebody's painting.
I know, right? We're lost.
Look at the ferns.
I don't think this is the way to go, Thomas. I think we gotta get back.
Yeah.
We are lost. Thomas, we're lost.
Look at here.
We're lost. Try getting a screenshot. Oh, shit. Lost in the woods. Do you have a thing that tells us where your car is parked?
No.
No. I just don't know, Tommy. I have no clue. I think we were back that way.
Yeah.
We wasn't close to these orange trees, remember?
Yeah.
You know the orange trees in someone's backyard.
Did we come this way? Yeah.
Over that way.
The trail's over here. Something crawling all over me.
You don't plant an orange tree unless it's close to your house.
Yeah, there's another one.
Lots of
That's
orange.
tangerine.
I'm nervous. You are totally lost. Oh, maybe here's a path. Yay! Oh, here's the step.
Oh, okay.
That's what we should have did. We should have seen where we were.
Yeah.
We should have seen where the car was with the compass. There's the compass. Alright, so we're headed west. So the car is probably back south.
Okay.
Okay. We're headed west, almost northwest. I wonder how many slaves they did have here. Probably a lot.
Yeah, I would think a lot. Oh, how do we get on this side of the fence?